Paris. The city of lights. It's like the Paris of Paris. Elle and I spent a week there this summer. Anyway, here's the backstory. I stayed at a hostel in Paris in 1995. One morning, I stepped into the shower, and when I got out, my pants were gone. For years, the police did nothing. Flash forward to the year 2022. Thanks to modern technology, new evidence has surfaced, and so...
In the event that there is a loss of cabin pressure.
I'm back. I'm gonna go get my pants. I'll get back to the pants later, but for now, enough of that nonsense. While it is true that my pants were stolen from a Paris hostel in 1995, I've recently come to believe that I may never see them again. They're gone, man. Just let them go. No, we were in Europe for an entirely different reason, but that's for another video. This is Paris. When we arrived, jet-lagged though we were, we had just 5 days to explore the city. We found our Airbnb late at night, then we put together a list of things to see.
These are all the things we have to fit into the next 5 days.
I wrote a list too.
Yeah?
There it is. In the morning, we were on the clock. With such a limited amount of time, you gotta hit the highlights. We chose to start with the Eiffel Tower. Now, I had great memories of climbing the 600 plus stairs to the second level back in 1995, but since then my joints have deteriorated somewhat. We decided to take the elevator. The elevator was sold out. We took the stairs.
Why are we walking up the stairs instead of taking the lift?
It's cheaper and easier.
Yeah, you could buy tickets online, but you couldn't to do the lift. Not today, not at our short time frame. So we're gonna walk.
I'm in a bad mood because my hips hurt. And I'm cranky because my feet are hot. And you're in a bad mood because you just got yelled at in French by a bunch of security people. So this is a good way to start the hike up to the second level of the Eiffel Tower, right?
Good times.
Good times. Traveling is fun, right? I think they added more stairs since 1995. You're faster at climbing stairs than I am.
So far, let's go up.
And I'm faster at getting through security than you are. We're at as far to the top of the Eiffel Tower as we could get.
Right.
And also I found a loose rivet. I'm really worried about that. I didn't have my torque wrench with me, and I also didn't have a compatible socket. So, in 1995, I was here with what became my first girlfriend. And
you were so young and innocent.
So young and innocent. And now it's my favorite girlfriend.
Oh, good. That's good.
How's it feel going down, Elle?
The knees aren't happy, but they never are. So that's just my age now, I think.
I mean, sometimes traveling with Elle, it's like minding a toddler.
Do I know? I can do it. I can fit. Oh, it's a little bit scary. What if I get stuck? Calm, slow. There we go. Ah. Still can't see it though. I did it.
You did it. I'm so proud of you. Look, I'm not complaining. In fact, it's quite entertaining, but I didn't have kids for a reason, you know? After all those stairs, I gotta admit, I was a bit grumpy. Elle and I rented some scooters and we rode to the Notre-Dame Museum. There, she perused art while I drank a beer and slept at a table.
Yeah.
With my head down after having a beer.
Yeah.
That cost $1,000.
$1,000. Things are expensive here.
Day 2. More highlights. After a breakfast of croissants and coffee, we head out for Sacré. Today we decided not to climb any more stairs. There was a lot of stairs. We climbed a lot of stairs. But we're going up and up.
How many stairs?
Where are we going?
100. Look at this. It says right there. 160 more to go. You gotta turn it on the right.
It's a lot of stairs. I have to edit out so much of the things that you say.
Look, somebody broke in there. I wonder where that goes. No. Oh, I bet you I could fit.
Yeah.
I take off my backpack. You think I could fit?
No,
I should try.
No.
Squish, squish,
No.
squish.
Let's go. Let's go. No. No. Elle and I did spend a few hours in the church itself, which is quite lovely. Lots of sculptures and stained glass and things like that. But the real prize, I think, is to climb up the stairs and take in the view from the top.
Oh, there's the Eiffel Tower. Right there.
There's a bunch of narrow corridors and staircases. Here's Elle on the way down. While you're here, why not click the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel? It helps me out and it costs you nothing. And if you like my videos, you might also like my audiobooks. Motorcycle Therapy and Through Dust and Darkness are both available on Audible, iTunes, or wherever you get your audiobooks. They're also both available for free right here on YouTube.
There's a gunner going in here. He's at eavesdrop on the Eiffel Tower.
After leaving the Sacré, we went to this neighborhood that apparently Hemingway hung out a lot. Nearby is Notre-Dame. I don't know how to pronounce it. The point is, it's a beautiful Gothic church. Is it Gothic? I should probably do some research. After that, even though we were both very tired from 2 days of lots of walking, we went to the Arc de Triomphe, where we found more stairs. Are we doing more stairs, Elle?
I think we are. Is that a... No, I don't know. I think we're going up somehow, but I don't even understand where and how.
What? Oh, good God. For someone who doesn't like being yelled at, you sure do a lot of stuff you're not supposed to do.
Gotta see the stuff while we can see the stuff.
Yeah.
And take pictures of the stuff.
And this is the view from the top. While researching this video, I discovered that it's actually illegal to publish photos or video of the Eiffel Tower lit up at night. Some copyright reasons or something like that. But the point is, I was trying to take video of this building here, and this kept getting in the way. Wait now. Day 3, Foucault's Pendulum and a river cruise. Look, I'm not a scientist, but apparently this swinging ball proves that the Earth is rotating. Elle's not a scientist either. This is what we got from the whole experience. After that, we decided to spend a little bit of money and take a river cruise. A river cruise in Paris is great for several reasons. It's neat to see some of the city's most famous landmarks from a different vantage point. What's up, Elle?
That's up.
Especially the bridges. You really get up close to them, and our guide shared with us the history of their construction. But the real reason that I loved the cruise, and the reason that I wanted to take it in the first place, was just so that I could sit down. Day 4, we rented a couple of bikes and we rode around the city. Where are you? What are we doing?
We're riding bikes in Paris.
We stopped at a park or two to watch some sailboats. We ate some ice cream, and we met a friend from Alberta. You look cute in your little helmet too. Safety first. You look cute too, Lindsay.
Thank you.
At the end of the day, we had to cross at least one thing off our list. We wanted to see the Louvre. Now, going to the most famous museum in possibly the world will take an entire day, or 2 or 3. We didn't have that kind of time, but we did get to bicycle in and see the exterior at least.
Just ride right in here like you're on the place.
Here we are, in the Catacombs. Yeah, at least they're going down. At the start of this video, I said that I had come to Paris to search for my lost pants. I was only joking about that, or was I? Perhaps those pants can serve as a very flimsy metaphor for my youth, now lost, and for which I continue searching to this very day. Fitting then that after hauling my dad bod and arthritic hips up and down every stair in Paris, the final stairs led me down to the Catacombs, a stark reminder of the pull of gravity and the inexorable drift of time. My pants were not there. In a way, we have all of us lost our pants, and together we are searching for something that we can never find. Searching for pants. This voiceover narrative has gotten away from me. After the Catacombs, Elle and I went to cheer ourselves up with ice cream. The next day, we left our Airbnb, boarded a high-speed train, and returned to England. There we met with Patty Tyson, organizer of the Overland event, who kindly arranged for us a couple of motorcycles that we could use to tour all over England.
The bike is Italian, it might go on fire, but it'll be fun. Every mile will be entertaining.
that's for a future video.